was the mouth of a deep dark hole I found behind my barn. We'd been filling it with garbage as long as you could count. Kitchen scraps and dead cows, tractors broken down. But never did I hear one thing hit the ground. And slowly I came to fear that this was a bottomless hole. I went out behind the barn and stared down in that hole. Laying into the evening, my mind would not let go. So I got out my ropes and a rusty clawfoot tub, and I rigged myself a chariot to ride down in that hole. She did help me, she fed me down the ropes, and then I sank away